Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're making a party dip, a dessert cocktail dip. Here are the simple ingredients that you'll need. You're going to need some no-bake cheesecake mix. It's already mixed up for you. All you have to do is just purchase it from your grocery store. Grab a bottle of your favorite brandy. And today I am using a butter toffee brandy. I'm going to be using some butterscotch syrup. And I have some butterscotch chips here to jazz everything up. This is all we're going to need to put our dip together. We're going to take our cheesecake filling. And I'm only going to use half of this today. We're in party season. And we want everything easy peasy. This is the 24-ounce tub. So we're going to use 12 ounces of it. So we're just going to cut it right in half. And just take us a nice scoop out. Just like so. That's all we're going to use. Take your butterscotch and we're going to use about a tablespoon of butterscotch. Just to enhance the flavor. Just be creative and use other ingredients to make your own special dip. And the last thing we're going to add is your favorite brandy. Ooh, we're going to put a nice shot of that in there. Perfect. We'll get everything all mixed up. So now you have yourself a dessert cocktail dip. How simple is that? And that is all we need. And our dip is ready. So now we're just going to take our serving dish and we're going to place our dip right in there. Alternately, you can have your miniature serving dish where you can make individual serving dips. So the last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a few of my butterscotch chips and I'm just going to take them and just sit them right on top. I want to place them down so it can make a nice, beautiful presentation. And so that they all can be standing the same way. Pair this delicious dip with your favorite fruit like strawberries, pears. Pretzel sticks also make great dippers. And you can't go wrong with buttery chessmen cookies and crunchy graham crackers. And we're going to do the same thing with our small one. Make sure everything is all cleaned up before you put it into the refrigerator. Because we added more liquids to our cheesecake filling, this has to set up and become firm again. This sweet and creamy dip will be the highlight of your next dessert bar. For my adult party today, I am choosing to use maraschino cherries and those rich buttery chessmen cookies as my dippers. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please have fun experimenting with different type of liqueurs. And feel free to adjust the sweetness or your brandy content according to your taste. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.